To make White Christmas, you'll need 250 grams of Copha. Melt the Copha in a microwave-safe bowl on 30-second increments. Once melted, leave to cool to room temperature. Next step is dice 100 grams or just over half a cup of dried apricots. Dice 100 grams or just over half a cup of glacé cherries. Set the fruit aside. In a large mixing bowl, add 3 cups of rice bubbles, 1 cup of desiccated coconut, 1 cup of powdered milk, 1/4 cup of icing sugar. Mix the dry ingredients. Add the dried apricots and glacé cherries to the dry mixture. Stir to combine. Add the melted Copha. Stir thoroughly. Place a White Christmas into a lined tray. I used a 23 by 30 centimetre tray. Using the back of a spoon, press the White Christmas mixture firmly. Place in the freezer for 15 minutes. Remove from freezer and cut into desired amount of pieces. Store the White Christmas in an airtight container in the fridge. Subscribe and like for more recipes. Comment below what's your favourite Christmas recipe.